Good morning, good morning, good morning, family and friends. It's a nice day today. It's a sunny day, but actually, it looks like more cloudy. But it's better kasi hindi na umuulan ngayon. Nakikita na yung sinag ng araw. Not the same at the previous days that keep raining, and we cannot see the sunshine. Now it's a sunny day, and we hope that there's no rain again. This is the beauty in front of Kornhill. That is the loneliness below, and the other side is the swimming pool. And that one that you can see there, which is the color is white, light blue, yellow, red, that is a school. I think that is secondary school. I don't know because that is a Chinese name. You cannot read, but looks like that is secondary school. So it's a quite sunny day today, and once again I say have a nice day, enjoy your life, but be careful always, and don't forget to pray. God is always good all the time. Good morning and have a nice day, everyone, family and friends. God bless.